Today's episode, we will be replacing the front axle gear oil on my T394. Hit the intro. Hold on. I scrounged up a few bucks. I got an editing program. Hit the real intro. Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the 9th season, the 89th episode. I think I might be at the end of doing the 50-hour maintenance on my tractor. Shit. Alright, so gear oil, front axle gear oil. Give you some numbers. The capacity of the front axle is 8.7 quarts. To our foreign viewers, it's 8.2 liters. This is a 50-hour maintenance. Next maintenance on the front axle is going to be at 550 hours. It uses a SAE 90 weight. That's a straight 90 weight. API GL4 or higher grade. Good luck finding it. Good luck, all I could say. That's another one. That's everything that I was finding was a 75 weight, 85 weight, dash 140. This actually calls for a straight 90 weight GL4 or higher. I was, thank God, one store was Napa that had it. It comes in quarts. They didn't have anything bigger, and it's expensive as shit. So anyway, let's get to it. I already previously done the job. I wasn't going to tape it because no one watches oil drain or filling of the actual fluids into it. So, right side of the tractor, if you're in a driver's seat, right side of the tractor, top of the tractor, here's your dipstick. You can pull it out. As you can see, I'm all the way at the top on that. That's screws right down. Also, I'm going to show you where the actual drain plug is located. There's your drain plug in the middle of the front axle. It is also marked in yellow if you're going to drain it. Oh, hello. Foofy. Hello. That's my mountain lion there. Alright, so basically that's it. There's nothing hard about it. That's all you have to do. Drain it. Fill it up to your levels on your dipstick. This series is coming to an end. Basically, what's left after this is just basically checking my fuel filter, checking my air filter cartridge, probably shake it out, dust it out, and that's left. This is all the major stuff that had to be done on a 50-hour maintenance. You guys stay safe out there. Make sure you grease your muffler bearings, check your blinker fluid, top that off before operating your tractors. Thanks for watching. Later.